Unique education. Study with motivation.
Hi everyone, this is Jaysir. Welcome back Unique Education YouTube channel. Dear students, previous class our English teacher at the occasion take your English class about tense. So watch the video and drop a comment to encourage him. Now we are going to discuss the Heron's formula, that is the exercise number 12.2, that is the class 9 chapter 12. The question is a park in a shape of the quadrilateral ABCD. C has the 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 centimeter, BC is equal to 12 centimeter, and CD is equal to 5 meter, and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Okay, don't worry. Look the picture. ABCD is the park of a figure ABCD, that the figure joint BD. Okay, look that image. Joint BD. Okay, then you see the answer, that the answer is here. That the answer is here. So after joint BD, that the in triangle DBC we have BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Pythagoras theorem, BD square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square, BD is equal to 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. BD is equal to 13 meter. Put half into base into height, half into 12 into 5, that is the 30 meter square. Then put Heron's formula of them, that is the A is equal to 9 meter, B is equal to 8 meter, C is equal to 13 meter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 15 meter. Area is equal to triangle of ABD. S is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The whole root over is 15 into 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 13 meter square, 15 into 6 into 7 into 2, that is the 1260 meter square. That the answer is 35.5 meter square approximately. The area of DBC and area of ABD 30 plus 35.5 is equal to 65.5 meter square approximately. Okay, that the now we are going to discuss the second number. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to which is AB is equal to 3 meter, BC is equal to 4 meter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, D is equal to 4 centimeter, and S is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, in triangle ABC we have find that the number 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Hence the triangle of B is equal to, then the joint, that the SC is equal to 5 centimeter. So we put the Pythagorean theorem in triangle then the before we understand the figure, then the put the theorem. Okay, that the AB plus BC is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That the theorem says. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Then area of ABC is equal to half into base into height. That is half into base into height. That is 3 into 4 centimeter square into half. That is the 6 centimeter square in triangle ACD. ACD triangle, that this triangle A is equal to 5 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter, C is equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Then the put of the Heron's formula, that is S whole into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That we find 84 root over of 84 cm square, that the 9.2 approximately. Okay, the area of quadrilaterals triangle ABC plus triangle ADC. That the first is 7 centimeter. First is 6 centimeter plus 9.2 centimeter. That is the centimeter square. That is the 15.2 cm square. Okay, that the answer is 15.2 cm square. Okay, take the class complete. Then you subscribe our channel, like the video, drop a comment of your subject, what do you want in our channel. And dear friends, we create a application on your channel name, that is the Unique Education. Go Play Store and download it. Take care, keep smile.